This is just a little video to document the work that my grandfather has been doing on his 68 Mercury Parklane convertible with wood side paneling. And as you can see here, there's no window and the fenders have both been taken off, the engine's been taken out of it. I'll show you the rest of what he's got done. This is of the passenger side door. And here's the passenger side quarter panel. We've been patching on that. You can see some of the work that he's done here, as well as here. And you can see that he got all these clamps on there holding everything together. But over here on the driver's side quarter panel where we got real problems at, because for some reason this car was involved in a wreck, and it's not bad back here besides that hole there, but the problem that we have is right here, because this is full of Bondo, as you can see there on the floor. So he's been trying to fix that. He's been trying to get all that Bondo out of there. And the thing is that the people that did this repair originally pop riveted everything together. As you can see here, those are pop rivets that's holding it on there. And here you can see some of the vinyl siding that it had on the car, the wood side paneling. And I think it was also a problem for him to get off here. But that's where it sits at during the process of restoration. But I will show you what he got done to the fenders here in a second. And right here you can see the original color of it, which was pewter metallic, correct?
Correct.
And here you can see what all we had to do to the floor pans. Those have both been replaced on the back, right?
Yes.
And we just made these temporary braces so that nothing happened to the integrity of the car. And here you can see the fenders that he's got worked on. And these have all been patched. All the holes have been replaced with metal. All the dents have been straightened out of there. So the fenders are ready to go for paint right now, but we're not going to do that until we get ready for it. Right now I'm going to show you where the work is that he did to the car's floor pans and everything.